So today I got my order of the Lush UK subscription box, and so I thought I would open it and just do kind of a quick video unboxing the things inside. So now let me get my scissors and open the box. And it says 1995 because this is the 25th anniversary for Lush. And Ro writes on there, and she's one of the co-founders. She says, I hope you enjoy using our anniversary collection. Maybe they'll bring back memories for some of you and create new ones for others. So I like how they acknowledged us OG Lushies and also the newer Lushies. And it shows all the products there that are in the box. Slammer shower gel. I love Ro, and she's eternally beautiful. I had the chance to talk to her at the Creative Showcase, and she really is that special of a person. Every subscription box has an ultra exclusive product that they make just for this box, and on this month it is the Dirty Boy soap. I mean, that's really exclusive. Oh, okay. And here are some stickers. How cool. So they have 29 for 29 High Street and 25. Here's the paperwork that kind of explains, has some phone numbers for customer service and stuff like that. So now I'm going to take these packing peanuts out. And by the way, these are biodegradable packing peanuts, so they literally dissolve into nothing if you put them in water. So I like that. They're made from potato starch. Something smells good in this box. So here is the Slammer shower gel. I remember when I first started buying Lush in 2001 or so, they had Slammer in all the stores and online. So I think that was one of the first shower gels. It's made with lime and lemon and ginger root, and it smells a little bit sweet. So it smells like a nice lemon lime kind of punch or something. It smells really good. Here's Creme Anglaise body lotion, and it has kind of a yummy, foodie, bakery kind of a scent, and it's very thick, and it has a lot of expensive good things in it, like saffron and vanilla and almond oil. Saffron is very expensive, and that's what gives it its golden color. It says, smooth the sumptuously scented creme brulee lotion all over your skin for soft skin and a rich spiciness that lingers all day. And it talks about saffron, the spice. It's got almond milk, saffron, extra virgin olive oil, fair trade cocoa butter, and vanilla, and Brazilian orange oil, and myrrh resin. And it smells just yummy. Lush has made 2 or 3 other products in the past with this same exact scent. One of them's called 3 Gold Rings Bubble Bar. And also they had a pot of gold jelly. And it smells kind of like vanilla with a tiny bit of licorice in it, if that makes sense. Sometimes the Lush Kitchen puts little messages underneath the stickers. So I'm going to check. This one says boom boom. So like boom boom, out go the lights. I don't know, maybe I'm too old and that's why I'm thinking it's from that song. This is Lush Lime Shower Smoothie, and it's basically another version of soap. It lathers, but it's very non-harsh, like soap is sometimes. It's not overly conditioning at all or overly moisturizing. I love their smoothies. I am full on in love with their shower smoothies, and I have my favorites. They've made about 6 or 7 throughout the years, or maybe like 7 or 8. And Lush Lime, it's made with squash, butternut squash, and olive oil, and strawberries, and grapefruit, and orange flower, and lime, and coconut oil. This is perhaps one of the best smelling smoothies. People just love the smell. It smells like limes and coconut. It's really, really good. So let me open it, because the texture of this is really nice. It's very thick, but it's soft, and it's very easy to use. That's what I like about it. It's not fussy at all. You just put it on, rub it around, get some lather, and rinse it off. See how thick it is? Lush has different kinds of smoothies. Now, the almond and coconut smoothie that was in the last subscription box is nowhere near this thick, but this is thick. I mean, you can hold it upside down and move it around, and just it'll never come out, because that's how thick and luscious it is. Lime and orange, and let's see, not orange, but lime and coconut and strawberries. Oh, this smells so good. Let me show you what the creme anglaise lotion looks like. So it's thick. It's not so thick where you can turn it upside down, but it's not real runny. It's thick, it's rich. I love the color, and this is definitely a love it or hate it smell. There's never any in between with this one for people. People either love the smell, or they don't like the smell. If you like licorice, you will probably like the smell. It's vanilla-y mostly, but it's got a tiny, tiny licorice-y undernote, and it's very sweet. So, and the Lush Lime, it's just everything. I can't wait to use it. So those are the shower products that are in the box. Next is the Tisty Tosty bath bomb, and it's got a bunch of rosebuds inside the bath bomb, and it's made with rose oil, and this smells so flippin' absolutely beautiful and pretty. So beautiful, like you're in a fresh rose garden. Not like a grandma rose perfume or anything gross. It's so damn beautiful. Oh my god. Here's the Dirty Boy soap. Now, the Dirty Spring Wash shower gel, and those dirty products that Lush makes with the dirty scent. It has some mint, and it's herbally. That's kind of what this smells like. This is a gender neutral scent, and I can't wait to use this exclusive soap. So those are the products in my Lush subscription box for August/September. It says September on the box, but I ordered it in on August 1st or something like that. So all right, so I love these. I love all of these. I like the way they smell. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Bye bye.